Selamat pagi and welcome to another new week. Kita bermula minggu ini dengan hijau. Last week we got a really nice trade on Bitcoin long. Saya masih sedang hold trade ini, and if you guys followed, well, I think you guys belum dapat entry lah. Unless you are in the academy, then you guys mungkin dah follow trade ini. Tahniah, we have a big trade. Big trade sekarang dah 1500% ya. Okay. So, I'm going to show you guys mana level yang saya sedang monitor sekarang dan apakah plan saya untuk Bitcoin. So, which level do we want to trade for Bitcoin coming into this new week? So, kita bermula dengan news. Ada sedikit news pada hari Rabu. CPI, PPI, unemployment claims. So, ada high impact news pada pertengahan minggu. And this is quite important. So remember this ya. Wednesday and Thursday, pertengahan minggu kita ada news folder merah, high impact news. Alright, looking at the liquidation chart, ingat level ni kita dah berjaya sweep 107 macam tu. We were targeting it dari bawah sini, right? Eventually we got the sweep. So next level we're looking at 111 macam tu, right? 111. Yeah, maybe around there. So, di atas we have 111. Let's see di bawah pula. Where is our liquidation below? So, we have a cluster at around 100k here, 300 juta. And the next big one is about here, dekat 93k. Okay, so I think the next big cluster dekat 110 lah. 110 ya. Ada hampir 400 juta liquidity sitting above here. Okay. Funding rate masih hijau, so the market is still quite cool. Walaupun kita dah mula pump sedikit, we have been moving up over the weekend. Market masih hijau, so we're not overheated yet. So ada potential untuk masih naik lagi. Walau bagaimanapun, in the past 24 hours, right, market baru buka guys. Market baru buka. Hari Isnin dah 190 juta liquidity kena wreck. 70,000 traders were liquidated. Right, so I hope you guys were not one of these traders. Market baru buka, kita santai sikit. Right, relax a bit, wait for the market to play out. Biasanya hari Isnin memang akan ada sideways sikit. Or price akan cari arah. Alright, so let's take a look at the chart. What is the current plan for now? Kita berjaya close last week dengan candle hijau. We managed to flip. Walaupun bukan candle hijau yang terbaik. Yeah, look at this. We managed to flip green. So previous week high and previous week low, right? Sekarang kita dah very clearly above the previous week high. So, and we're clearly above the weekly open. Yeah, weekly open dekat 105,670. So we're going to continue bullish. Maybe for the next few days at least, right? Dan ada beberapa teori kenapa kita mungkin akan sambung bullish. Yang pertama ialah sebab, well, technically the candle is bullish. Yang kedua ialah China has been starting to print money, right? Yang ketiga ialah, we're just looking at technicals. We are making a range reversal. So this is the big range yang kita sedang monitor. Kita dapat sebuah flip, right? Sweep. We've swept all the liquidity below here, and ideally we were looking for, I think in the last video we were looking for retest sini kan, untuk dapat sebuah range rotation back to the top side. Tapi kita tak dapat retest tu, but we are rotating back to the top side, right? And right now, selagi inilah resistance ini belum break, selagi itulah resistance ini valid, right? Support is always support, resistance is always resistance. So right now I'm still holding my long positions. Kita sedang bertemu dengan resistance di sini in this little structure here, but we are currently above it. So kalau kita nak pecahkan ni, okay, kita pecahkan ni. This is the big range. This is the big range. Let me just hide this first. Tapi kita boleh pecahkan ni kepada 3 kelompok. 1, 2 dan 3. Right, so right now we are currently re-entering this top range right here. Right, we are currently re-entering. Tengok, this is the resistance. We are currently re-entering. Kita dah break. Nampak? Ini resistance. Kita dah berjaya break. Right now, what we want to see is we want to see it maintain above this, maintain above the previous week high, and possibly push up even higher to get the liquidity dekat 110 yang kita nampak tadi. And I think this might align very nicely dengan news yang kita ada pada pertengahan minggu. Sebab sometimes the market moves, dia akan pada hari Isnin dia akan cari arah, dia akan jalan dalam satu arah, and then di pertengahan minggu akan berlaku something called the midweek reversal, di mana dia akan ranging di pertengahan minggu, and kalau ada catalyst seperti news, that could cause the market to reverse the other way. Right, so technically speaking, dari sini kita belum ada pullback lagi. Right, kita belum ada pullback lagi. So this could be the level that we are looking for a pullback. Right, so right now, kalau you nak jadi retail trader, nak jadi ni statistik yang dah kena rack, 7,000 orang kena liquidate, then you boleh buy the breakout. Right, you boleh buy high. Orang nak beli barang murah, you beli barang mahal. Boleh, you boleh teruskan buy the breakout. Tapi apa yang saya akan buat, and I hope that the traders in the academy akan buat juga, ialah kita akan tunggu. Kita akan tunggu price pullback kepada area yang lebih menarik, sama ada where is it? This one? Sama ada di sini, right? If price pulls back to here, right? This area right here, kalau kita tarik sebuah Fibo, let's see. Right now it lines up. Okay lah. Yeah, so sorry. Yeah, so right now, if I were looking for a pullback, maybe I would wait and see how this high develops, right? Sebab ada kemungkinan kita deviate atas range ni, barulah kita mula untuk pullback. So anything at the low range, di bawah point of control, dekat value area low, ialah zone atau level yang lebih baik untuk cari long. Sebab kita nak long dari bawah, kan? Kita nak buy low, sell high. So currently saya masih sedang hold long, right? Saya mungkin akan cari short sebab like I said, resistance always resistance, dan ada beberapa tanda. Yang pertama ialah kita sedang berjumpa dengan value area high. Yang kedua, let's see, do we have any Fibonacci levels? Kita tarik ni. We have the 786, tapi tak berapa cantik lah. But let's ignore that. Another thing I want you guys to pay attention to ialah the RSI on the 1 hour, di mana kita dah mula jadi overbought. Okay, so bila overbought, jangan terus sell. Right, biasanya bila dah overbought, tunggu ada ini overbought pertama, tunggu overbought kedua dan ketiga. Right, dan ini akan membentukkan sebuah divergence di RSI. Right, we might see something like this. Right, so di divergence yang ketiga ni is where we would like to enter a position. And this may possibly happen maybe during the midweek. We'll see. I don't know. But currently my plan ialah dari atas sini 110, saya nak cari short position. Sebab dari sini kita belum ada pullback. We have not had a significant pullback since here. Right, so it is unlikely yang kita akan terus sambung fly ke 120,000 dari sini. So it's likely that we will have some kind of pullback dari sini. So I will be looking for a short position di around 110 macam tu lah. Right, around 110. Kalau nak long, like I said, cari dari area point of control dan ke bawah. Right, dari sini dan ke bawah. Okay, so currently this is my plan. Long saya akan sambung hold. Short saya akan monitor. Saya nak cari short dekat 110. Okay, I think it's very clear and simple plan for now. Kalau you guys nak tengok cara saya trade in real time, bila saya enter, bila saya exit, bila saya TP, bila saya stop loss, bila saya set break even, everything. I share everything in here. Right, you guys boleh tekan di bawah and join the Kaizen Crypto Academy, di mana saya share all of my trades for you guys to see, for you guys to follow if you want to. And I'm currently using the platform Wix, right? Kalau you guys nak try out this platform, boleh tekan link di bawah juga. We'll have some good bonuses, some good giveaways for you guys. Right, saya akan pergi jumpa mereka sekejap lagi in a few days di office mereka di Dubai. So hopefully I can bring back some good things for you guys. So make sure you guys tekan link di bawah dan register account Wix. Bila you register account Wix, you guys layak untuk masuk ke Kaizen Crypto Academy. Link semua di bawah. Itu saja untuk video kali ini. See you guys in the next video.